I am so excited, y'all. I just got this in the mail. It's the brand new, just launched, once per month US Club box from Universal Standard. I have no idea what's inside it. So I'm looking at it online and it says that this is an intentionally curated clothing box to build your wearable wardrobe that launches on the 14th through the 17th of every month, and you pick the price. I love that. And there's definitely like a mystery box element to it since I have no idea what's inside. And I was so sad to see when their mystery boxes ended last September. If you didn't see my last review of their mystery box, I will leave it right up here somewhere. But I have always been a fan of their mystery boxes and their clothes in general. There is no other brand that has the size inclusivity like Universal Standard, and definitely in a mystery box. Like, you won't see that ever. So let's go crack it open and see what we got. What? Universal Standard, are you okay? I feel like I just hit the jackpot with this style box. So I got their trench coat. I'm so excited about this one. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that I have been drooling over this trench coat for 6 months, maybe more. I know for a fact, 100%, that this retails for well over $200 plus dollars online, y'all. So stoked. Yes. And then I got their all-day cigarette pant in black. These retail for $178, and the fabric feels so nice, y'all. Very comfortable, easy to wear all day. As the name suggests, they have a lot of great details, the extra buttons, the pockets, the tailoring, perfect. And then lastly, I got this gorgeous illusion sweater. That's what I'm gonna call it because it has kind of like this twofer with the false blouse underneath. Super cute, y'all. I remember seeing this on the website a couple of months ago. I couldn't find it today. I was looking for it, but I know that it retails for $150, probably a little more. I want to say around $168, but I really can't remember, but it is a great piece. Every single thing that I got in today's US Club box is very easily mixed and matched with stuff that I already have in my everyday wardrobe, but it's also a complete outfit too. Not to mention that every single thing in total valued over $700. What a steal. Universal Standard did it again. So yeah, that was the definitely unexpected unboxing of the US Club by Universal Standard box. I am so excited to see more. I can't wait to see what they do for next month. And that's gonna do it for this video, y'all. I hope y'all found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy, and I'll be seeing y'all very, very soon. Bye.